star-studded. Talagang sinakop ng pinakamagagaling sa Pilipinas ang Asian Academy Creative Awards. And congratulations!
Thank you, MJ. Thank you to June. Kasi it's nice because I've been doing a lot of juror duties ever since we started with Asian Academy. And now I think it would be my 3rd or 4th year being a judge. This time we're also presenting an award. So I think later I'll be presenting the Best Feature Film and Best Supporting Actress Award.
You're also a part of International Emmy, diba?
That's right.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm also a member.
How do you feel about that? What does this mean to you? Especially, mas marami na tayong Pilipinong nakikita natin dito ngayon.
I think ang ibig sabihin lang nito para sa ating mga Pilipino, lalong-lalo na sa ating mga artista, kasama natin sa industriya, is that we get to have seats on the table as well. We get to represent our country. And especially now na grabe na yung mga producers natin, marami na tayong nagpa-produce, and we're super, kumbaga parang recognized all over Asia and all over the world as well. It's nice that we get to see them, get to mingle with them, and at the same time, nakikilala nila tayo mas lalo pagdating sa industriyang ito.
Actually, sabi ni Raymond, nakaka-proud every year pag may red carpet dito sa Asian Academy Creative Awards, dumarami ang mga Pinoy.
Yes, that's right. So this year, I think we have kanina si Kyla Estrada, who's a nominee for Best Supporting Actress for Linlang. So sana manalo!
And I do know go ahead.
Yeah, pero before, di ba, nominated ka daw?
That's right. So I was nominated for Kadenang Ginto. I was also nominated for Viral Scandal.
Grabe.
So this time, you're a judge.
Yes, this time po, Tito, I'm a judge, and also after judging, I'm also presenting the award this year. Kaya kahit na 7 hours lang dahil may news tayo bukas.
Kaya, uuwi ka ulit?
Uuwi ako, pero absent ako tomorrow, the next day.
Wait lang. So, how is it wearing the judge's hat? Other side of the fence?
I guess I love it because I get to see the other entries from all over Singapore, Malaysia, Myanmar, and Indonesia. Ang sarap lang makita na meron tayong mga nakakasama sa industriyang ito na nakikita din natin kung anong klase ng content and storytelling that they have.
Wow! Ano masasabi mo sa content and storytelling that they have? And of course, yung sa atin din na nakita mo.
Magkaiba talaga. Kahit na lahat tayo ay from Asia, it's a different storytelling. As you know, ang Pilipino mas intimate ang storytelling natin. And ngayon, nag-iiba rin yung landscape kasi nag-iiba ang kwento.
Wait lang, so meron ka rin movie with Direk Lino.
That's
Nakasama rin natin dito ngayon sa Singapore.
So I'm with sina Direk Lino. It's a movie with Iza Calzado. We shot it. It's a horror film. I think it's gonna come out next year. It's of course under Rain Entertainment, also Regal Films.
Oh wow! What do you share so far? Kasi parang nakita ko pala yung snippets, dibdiban. I know yung iba natin mga kapatid sa press na bisita pa kayo sa set.
That's right. So, medyo mysterious kasi mysterious yung role ko. Pero it's nice because it's a different take on mother's love as well. So other than the horror side of it, it also talks about parental love and the connection between mothers and their children.
Wait lang, so speaking of mother's love, congrats sa piloto mong anak.
Oh,
diba?
my God,
Wait, nasan siya? Is she coming home for Christmas?
Hopefully she will come home for Christmas. She's trying to get another license on top of her graduation, now on top of her CPL, PPL. It's called a flight instructor's rating. So this is another thing that she wants to take up. She's not coming home to the Philippines anymore. She wants to live in Australia. And we fully support that naman. So,
kayo pupunta?
Baka po, opo. So either siyang pumunta mag-isa or kaming lahat pupunta doon.
Oh, wow!
So nice, no?
Super. At saka masarap din kasi alam mo naman to, June, ikaw lumaki na ako sa industriya to. Yun lang naman ang mga pinag-iipunan natin, di ba?
Yung mga para sa anak.
Oo.
Ano mga secret mo para sa mga overachiever na anak?
Always ground them, remind them where you started, include them in the hardships, sabihin mo kung bakit nahirapan ka magpadala ng tuition, sabihin mo, maging parte sila ng kwento na hindi magagandang parts ng kwento para hindi naman akala ng mga bata ay napakadali nating kitain ng pera na ito. Kasi pag nasa industriyan ko to, MJ, ikaw, pag artista ka, pag celebrity ka, parang ang dali-daling kitain ng pera. But our children, when they overachieve, they have to always remember that all these things are just borrowed time, borrowed money, borrowed placing. So dapat malaman nila na always humble lang tayo dapat.
Pero ikaw sobrang sipag eh. Ang dami-dami mo talagang trabaho.
Tumatanggap din ako ng labada eh.
Grabe! Endorsement, morning show,
Yes.
artista.
Speaking of endorsement, Ngayon medyo nakakatakot to accept mga
I know.
endorsement.
Right,
Gaano
right.
kakaingat? Kasi may mga nadamay, di ba?
So, kami naman, I feel very blessed that I have Kuya Alan Real who takes care of all our contracts. Star Magic is representing us often and all the time, not often but all the time. So ako, I feel very secure. And in terms of our brands naman, we always do due diligence as well. Marami na rin tayong natutunan along the way. And
So, may
syempre,
mga tinanggihan ka na rin.
opo, marami nang tinanggihan. Actually, hindi akong tinanggihan at tumanggi si Kuya Alan.
Oo. Nafi-filter na bago pa sa'yo.
Yes.
Anong tips mo sa mga ganun? Kasi tayo mga nanay, di ba? Gusto lang naman natin maghanap buhay.
Oo.
At hindi naman lahat may
Wala
Star
namang may
Magic.
gusto talaga
Hindi
na
naman
ano.
lahat may Kuya Alan.
Oo,
Di ba?
totoo
Ano,
yun.
ikaw as a mom and as an endorser, ano lang yung personal tips mo?
Ako kasi hindi ako makapag-advise coming from a place na parang alam ko ang lahat kasi hindi totoo yun. Lahat tayo nagkakaroon ng mga pagsubok sa buhay, lahat tayo may mga pinagdadaanan. Ako siguro ang dasal ko lang palagi is for my family at ang mga pinaghihirapan natin to be always protected kasi kadalasan talaga may mga bagay na hindi mo inaasahan sa buhay. Pero I guess ang pinaka-advice ko na lang is that lalo sa mga natutunan natin lately na mas maging mapanuri tayo, magtanong tayo ng questions, alamin natin kung ano ba yung mga kailangan nating responsibilidad para rin yung mga ganitong pangyayari kasi kinapupulutan natin ng aral. At syempre, ipinagdadasal natin ng lahat ng dumadaan dito on both sides will of course be able to go through this smoothly at maayos din nila kasi nobody wants to have conflict with anyone. Walang may gusto niyan.
Correct. And super last, kasi parang ikaw yung godmother, no? Or ng mga ating mga nakababatang mga Gen Z, millennial. Alam mo na itanong natin, kapag kayo mga batang artista ay nakaharap sa mga malalaking iskandalo, what do you tell them? Because right now, of course, it's also a kapamilya. It's Mathon going through this, di ba? And judgment is being passed on left and right. What do you always tell the younger stars?
As you said na nga, MJ, judgment is always being passed left and right. And I would not want to add up anymore to that judgment. My only prayer is that, again, in everything that we go through, both sides, all sides, sana ay mapagdaanan nila ito ng may matatag na puso at kalamnan. Kasi nobody wants this on anybody. Kahit hindi mo pa gusto yung tao, wala kang magugustuhan ng pagdaanan nila ito. At sa totoo, mga bata ito, pag iniisip ko nga kung yung mga anak ko may pinagdaanan ganito, ano kayang nararamdaman ng mga magulang nila? So sana ang pamilya din nila will be there, no, to support them, to love them, at mapagdaanan sana nila ito ng with grace, ika nga.
Ang dami sa kanila, mga naging anak mo, naging nakatrabaho mo, di ba? So, ikaw pag may mga ganyang issue na hurt ka ba?
Ako, napapadasal ako. Kasi sa industriyang ito, talagang pagdadaanan ito. Pero syempre, ang lagi nating dasal ay, Lord, please spare us naman because, again, as you said, MJ, judgment is always being passed. At mas lalo na pag artista ka kasi magnified ang lahat ng bagay. Yung ordinaryong tao nga, pag may pinagdadaanan, ay napakalaking bagay na yun. Lalo na kapag maraming taong nagbibigay ng kanilang opinion.
Hindi nakakatulong.
O kaya tayo, alam mo, ako talaga lagi yung sinasabi sa anak ko, pagka ikaw may sasabihin ka, hindi makakaganda yung sasabihin mo, ay itiko mo na lang. Kung hindi ka parte, wag ka na. Kaya ako sabi ko nga sa'yo, much as I want to comment, I can't because I don't know the full story. And I wouldn't want to add up to any more fire.
And stress.
Yeah.
Lalo na Pasko.
Pasko, girl.
Yan, oo. Pero, Dimples, yan, going back, binanggit mo yung mga anak mo, parang kailan lang mga tinatanong sa'yo, yung, kasi mga bata pa sila.
Wala ngayon na, college na, graduate na. Oo. Ako naman,
Toddler na yung isa.
Panahon.
Ako naman kasi to June, parang gusto ko lang naman sa mga anak ko magkaroon sila ng buhay na ikaka-proud nila. Yun lang naman ang gusto ko. Yung magiging masaya sila at wala silang masasaktan na ibang tao. Oo, yun lang yung sa akin. Hindi na kailangan ng hindi kailangan ng magagarbong bagay. Ang importante sa mga bata ay lumaki sila, God-fearing sila, at makatapos sila. Yun.